Note to self, don't just let go. Okay.
Did the rear engine, is it? Did you take that on the track yet?
No, I haven't even got it running yet. Being as I might transfer here in the next couple of 8 months, I just got it to where it's like closed up and I put back to being a car again. And then I moved on to the ramp truck because I needed it to be in the same situation. And I needed to swap everything out of that Cadillac so I could get rid of the Cadillac. So it's just been a mad dash of trying to get everything ready to maybe have to get on a trailer and go somewhere, or maybe have to go somewhere and get stored, you know what I mean?
Giving you any options? Or?
As of right now, they keep offering Norfolk. But this is my last tour before I retire. And it's not even a full tour. I only have 2 years left until I hit retirement.
They're transferring you with 2 years?
Yep. Because technically I could do 4. But because they changed it now, 20 years isn't retirement anymore for me. I can go to 22. I don't have to. So being as I can, they're like, well, you should. And I'm like, not if you're gonna send me to freaking Norfolk. You know?
You're working on cars.
Yet, like, so my dad was did construction and cabinetry and that type of woodworking, and never didn't like it at all. like I don't like anything about it. I worked in it a lot, and it wasn't per choice, you know. But not. I can do a lot of stuff, but I do not enjoy it. But I didn't have anyone that really got me into working on cars and doing this stuff. It was literally out of necessity.
Yeah.
I started with a lawnmower. Lawnmower broke, and well, my dad was not hearing that I couldn't mow the lawn because the lawnmower was broke. So to use the push mower, and we had as much grass as you see here. And I was like, I'll fix it. So I did. And after that, it was I was big into 4-wheelers when I was a kid, riding and whatnot. And I was, as my dad would say, rather hard on them. He used to say I should be a test rider for Honda so I could find all the problems with them, which then turned into me fixing 4-wheelers because I wanted to keep playing with them. And that's really been, even in the cars, if things broke, they need to get fixed. I was like, well, I'm not paying someone to do that. I'll give it a shot.
Yeah, you're going to use it, you gotta learn how to work on it from me,
Yeah.
And I'm always breaking something, so you gotta go around.
Well, it's like my Sawzall that you used the other day. I broke that thing in half 4 years ago, 5 years ago, something like that. And you can't really notice, except for, I don't even know where it is right now, but there's two big ass, yeah, broke this thing completely in half, 2 pieces in my hand. And then ended up just building a plate in there and bolting the whole damn thing back together. Still works like a champ. My thing's always, it's already broken. Can't break it any worse.
Exactly. It's the last stop,
Yeah.
I like the last stop project.
Yeah, because there's no skin in the game. That's like with that truck and this car and any of these other crazy projects that I've gone into. Like that car I bought for $400. And then I sold the motor and trans out for $450. I'm in the green on that already. So if at the end of the day it doesn't work, I can sell the parts that I have put on it for more than I have in it. The ramp truck, same way. I mean, if it didn't work, whatever, it's out a couple $100, whatever. Looks like they're the same left to right. So that goes in like so. This goes in like so. Ouch. Note to self, don't just let go. Okay. Good?
Yep. Go. Slow it down.
Alright, let's check it, see what we think. So we're not deforming anything. It's weird. Because the hat looks like it's crooked to the metal, but the metal looks straight. Let's see if we can get the bar in still at this point. Yeah, bar goes in, no problem. And it looks like even when it comes down further, I'd still be able to get it to go in. We'll go a little further, keep checking it. Hopefully we don't get past the point of no return with it.
Okay. Well, let me know. Tell me on a mission to get toilet paper.
Wow.
Is that a good wow or a bad wow?
Bad wow. See how much the A-arm is spread? It should be tight in here, but all the playing we've done is stretched it out.
Press it back down, can't we?
Oh, tightening these bolts should suck it right back in. That's why I wasn't too concerned. Tell you what, that's pretty taut, which is nice. Oh yeah.
Oh, too good.
Yeah, they'll be tight. We will not have to worry about that. Rotates on the bushings, which is what you want. Looks like it. Boom. Which ones? Those ones? So those ones are fun. They go from the bottom as well, but you got to take this bolt off. And then it goes...
Oh, shit, I was looking at that.
Yep.
Okay.
So yeah, that goes like so. And then it gets the bolt on top. And then your Zerk, which should be in the bag somewhere, threads into this hole in the top here.
Gotcha.
Did it come with new hardware for the sides?
It did.
All right.
Two, yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Perfect. Shit. Are they different from side to side? I hope not. Oh, shit. What does that one say?
Says lower bolt replacement.
Yeah, bring that one over yonder here. Let's see if it's different.
It is the same part number.
Are they?
Yeah.
78519
At least the package anyway.
Nope, they're different. I don't know if it makes a difference. It is.
How far off was it?
Just barely. About that same amount. That sucks. Yeah, like it doesn't sit flush. This one looks like it was worse though. Bucket. Yeah, that's the only problem. I'm wondering if when I torque it down, it'll pull it into place.
That was pretty.
Might be able to get one in there now. Just off. Still just off. I don't know if it's really doing anything else anymore. It's pulled tight.
If they're running metric screws in, it might be a little bit bigger. Yeah.
Well, the holes are just, you know, you can see how they're just off.
I mean, like the other one,
Oh shit.
the screws.
I spread that lock washer out a bit. Yeah, the lock washer's ruined. Oh. It's very much in there now, though. This is too big, isn't it? I mean, give it a smack. It definitely did some work. I just got a feeling as soon as I pull it out, it's gonna, you know what I mean, go right back. All right, so what we need to do here is figure out which one of these is which. Yeah, so this will be which goes like this, I believe. I believe is right. All right, so yeah, that's not going to work like we did last time on the uppers. You all right over there, Dan? Your hand? I wonder.
What's the hump?
It's tight. And it didn't suck these down all the way. So this one we couldn't do like the last one in there because you can't get this in and out without it.
Okay.
Unfortunately. And then we run into the same problem we were running into before.
It's not in far enough.
They need to be touching. But it's actually tweaking the arm here. So
Squeeze it.
when I did that, it sucked it together.
I'm gonna try him with a mallet.
I did that already. That's where I got it to, and it finally stopped. I'm trying to think of if I can put something in between here to hold it, then we can put it back in the press and press it. You know what I mean? Just don't know what the hell we put in there that is going to be adjustable enough to, you know what I mean?
You think we're maxed out as far as beating on it?
I don't know about that. I mean, there's always more you can do. But I wouldn't do it on this anymore. Put it over here.
Okay.
You got it?
Sure, I'll do it.
Okay. Try and hit this side of it. Because it looks like you've got it here, but try to hit that side. Alright, well, it's definitely going. Here, let me take a swig or two. Yeah, leave it that way.
If you put that cup over it and
Maybe?
give the cup through that rubber,
Yeah. Where'd the cup go off to? There it is.
that's too big.
Yeah, no, this one was the one that I was gonna try and use. Now let's flip over and see what the other side does. I don't know that we made any real progress there. Some, I think, yeah. Might need to go from the back side, yeah. In fact, you know what? Let's just trade. Good to go?
Is that good? Or
Kinda.
I think that one's going in.
Might be. What kind of gap are we looking at? Oh, we're not looking at any now. Look. We're tight. Well, we're pretty tight. Tight enough. I don't know that these went all the way down. Something. Oh, that's it. It's like something fell in there. Yeah. Yeah, because they weren't all the way down. But we were able to suck out that little bit. So I think we'll be okay.